Hello everyone. Today ASSA ABLOY hosted its 2022 Capital Markets Day. I'm joined by our CEO Nico Delvaux. Welcome. Can you please summarize what your main messages were today at the CMD?
Yeah, I can do that, Bjorn, but perhaps first let me say that we were very happy to meet our analysts and our investors again face to face after 2 years of pandemic. We gave them an update on our strategy and, like always, an evolution of our strategy, no revolution. We reconfirmed our financial targets to grow 10% over a business cycle, 5% organically and 5% growth through acquisitions. We want to do that with an EBIT margin within the 16 to 17% bandwidth. And then we focus a lot on how to accelerate our profitable growth in general and our organic growth in particular, and zoomed therein on the major growth drivers: service business, software as a service, recurring revenue, the business emerging markets, of course pricing, which helps on the organic growth side, and then the shift from mechanical to electromechanical and digital, as well on the residential side as on the commercial side.
At our Capital Markets Day in 2021, you said that we should reach 150 billion kronor in sales in 2026 if we achieve our targets. How are we tracking on that journey?
Yeah, we said the same on the bottom line. We are doing well with both. If we take the reference year of 2019, we have grown our top line with 20%, so in line with reaching that target by 2026. And same is true on the bottom line, where we grew 17% as compared to the 2019 starting year.
You have been focusing a bit more, I would say, on the sales achievements and growth. Why is that?
I would say definitely on the organic growth side. We've always said that 1% more organic growth in a sustainable way is the difference between a good company and a great company. And obviously we have the ambition to be a great company, so we have that ambition to further accelerate that organic growth. And there we are succeeding on that ambition, in the sense that if you look the period before the pandemic, if you take 2014 to 2018, we had an organic growth of around 3%. If you compare that with the period 2018 till today, we are growing around 5%. So in line with our ambition of 5% organic growth over a business cycle, and clearly an acceleration compared to history. Obviously, organic growth is the most rewarding growth that you can have in the company. Therefore, that focus.
Thank you, Nico, and thank you to all our viewers for your interest in ASSA ABLOY.
Thank you.